Here it is, September 9th. Oil is battling against decision point 1, the end of the minor trend. I'm monitoring this formation very carefully as oil may be forming absolutely very powerful structure to the downside because bullish trend had reached the exhaustion levels to the upside. This is the end of the minor trend. It's incredibly critical to see what price will do at these levels, as we may have potentially very powerful short formations. That's why it is essential to know where the end of the minor trend is, what not to enter into. Third day in a row, oil struggling at these levels, giving incredibly powerful short formations on smaller time frames. Let's see what our guiding light oil 1 hour is telling us. There we go. Oil had reached the exhaustion level on hourly chart. This is danger zone level. This is where price finds the support. This is why it is so critical to separate decision point 1 with the danger zone level. At any moment I'm monitoring oil, I may actually be taking long to the upside because this is ultimate destination for my guiding light 1 hour. Two things happen here, opposite trend corrections or opposite trend reversal, and that's what I'm monitoring for. And once again, heads up trading room, any of the short trades taken anywhere near this level is super duper aggressive trades. It's very critical to recognize that and separate conservative from aggressive structure. If you know alpha wave trader method, you should not be tempted to acquire any of the short positions anywhere near here. You should exercise extreme patience and discipline and take only solid long trades that obey 4 rules from alpha wave trader method. And here goes oil as expected, picking up this steam to the upside. Let's take a look on ES 1 hour as our guiding light 1 hour. Picking up pretty impressive to the downside. Ta-da! 1662. What will price do at that level? That level is incredibly critical and incredibly powerful. And that's what we're observing and monitoring for very carefully. Please do not ignore the fact that address to the nation is tomorrow night, which we may have incredibly slow market conditions as the entire world waiting what will the decision of American president will be, as it will drastically affect market conditions, clearly as we witnessed on Friday. So therefore, do not ignore the fact that there is absolutely no news of any kind all the way until Wednesday oil news, because market awaiting what will President of United States state tomorrow night. So there we go. Here's a dance on ES. We're still incredibly bearish. We're still monitoring on ES to the downside 1600 level. But the reaction at 1662, which is ES incredibly close to, is not to be ignored. I will be monitoring for short formation at that level. So once again, exercise extreme caution. Do not be surprised if markets are incredibly slow until Wednesday. That's when the fun will begin. That's when incredible volatility will come, as we'll know, hopefully we'll know what Mr. Obama had decided, what will the next step will be. Otherwise, do remember that tonight is the interview with Mr. Assad on American TV. And yes, it's extremely important to be intelligent and knowledgeable trader, to know and to see how drastically world events affect market structure, as we witnessed in our wave class on Friday. That massive collapse exactly worked between all the levels that we teach in Alpha Wave Trader course. So therefore, exercise extreme caution, monitor world events, and do preserve your capital during such fascinating times as this.